Every day, millions of people wake up with a brilliant idea, a spark that could completely change their financial future. But by 9 a.m., that spark is buried under a soul-crushing commute and a job that dictates their exact worth. You know you are meant for more, but the gap between an idea in your mind and actually generating money feels impossible. You're left paralyzed by fake gurus, information overload, and the terrifying fear of simply not knowing where to begin. What if you didn't have to guess? Welcome to Mind to Money Steps. We don't sell get-rich-quick fantasies. We provide the exact step-by-step architecture you need to build a real business from scratch. You don't need to be a genius, and you don't need to do it alone. You just need the blueprint. Click below to grab our exclusive starter bundle today. Stop watching others build their wealth and take your first step from mind to money.